Hello friends, welcome back to another awesome video. Today we will learn about how we can use Google Ads for short video. You just need to open your channel. After opening your YouTube channel, you just need to click on shorts. When you click on shorts, there is option for you can see your short videos there. You can click on any short video that you want to promote. Then click on three dots. When you click on three dots, there is option for promote. When you click on promote, choose your Google Ads account. When you click on your Google Ads account, you can switch your Google Ads account to new account. After that, you just need to click on land. You can see here there is a page. You can just need to click landing page. In landing page, you just need to click the. You can also add link of your page that the user want to redirect. Then you click on. You can see it. There is a visit option. You just need to click on subscribe. You can change it like subscribe, any option, show off no, or other option that you want. Or you in headline you can see it, the changing in its here you see it. Or in landing page you just need to click the URL, add URL or another option.